So now some logical and expressional question we are going to define in matrices. Okay. First of all, we discuss the property. Property in the sense we discuss the property in the matrices. पहले मैं आपसे ट्रांसपोज और इस पे डिस्कस करूंगा. इस पे बहुत ह्यूज देयर विल बी ह्यूज क्वेश्चन इन ट्रांसपोज. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है आपका. और 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है ना. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट transpose of matrix. Let A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. We want going for the transpose. A transpose represent करेंगे या A dash you can represent. To convert row into column. First row you should convert first column. Second row you should convert second column. So the simplest meaning of transpose is to convert row into column or column into row. रो को कॉलम और कॉलम को रो में जो कन्वर्जन का प्रोसेस, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट थिंग. क्लियर. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज व्हाट? इफ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ एनी मैट्रिक्स रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ ए साइन इज अवेलेबल, A transpose equal to A, then you can say, sir, this is your symmetric matrix. This is known as your symmetric matrix. That is the first case. And the second case involved, if A transpose is equal to minus A, then this is known as your skew symmetric. Okay? These are the two variety of the skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. And properties of transpose is what? We are not going to discuss properties and transpose. Your first property is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second is A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Third is any constant multiply and transpose the matrix, no effect on constant number. It should be multiply A transpose. Fourth property, most important, A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. In general matrices, we can say that AB is not equal to BA. That's why we are putting A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is what, this is the feature, or this one the properties of transpose of matrix, and there are the two criteria in matrices. A transpose equal to A, this is known as a symmetric matrix, and A transpose equal to minus A is known as your skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Yeah. So now we discuss concept based on skew symmetric and symmetric of the matrix. Conceptual or logical based question. So what's our procedure? What will be our procedure? How to solve this such type of question? Here, first of all, they told in language form, show that elements on the main diagonal of skew symmetric matrix are all zero. What? Elements in, they are what saying? Elements in main diagonal element. Main diagonal elements all are zero. This is what? This is the first. They can prove that. What? Show that all elements in main diagonals in skew symmetric. Okay? And what is what? Skew. We are discussing in skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. That means in skew symmetric, we can change this statement. In skew symmetric, all the elements in main diagonals are zero. This is first logical based question. How can we attempt? First of all, let capital A represent the matrix. If this is Aij, you can write like this one process. Okay. If this is your skew symmetric, so for, you can write for skew symmetric. Put down the condition. For skew symmetric is what? Aij equal to Aij is equal to what? Minus of Aji. To convert row into column or column into row, right? By the help with the help of definition, and we are discussing in main diagonal. And the for diagonal, you have to write down here for diagonal I equal to j. You can take I equal to j. So ai into I equal to minus of ai into I. You can write shifting toward this one, that is 2 times of I into I equal to 0 or I into I equal to 0. If we put I equal to 1, you will get A110. If putting down the value of 2, so A22 equal to 0. If putting down the value of 3, so A33 equal to 0. So that means we can say that all the elements in main diagonal elements, all the elements in main diagonal elements of skew symmetry, all the elements in main diagonal elements in skew symmetric is always 0. Or we can say change our statement. What statement? Prove that sum of prove that sum of all diagonal elements in skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Prove that all elements in main diagonal elements in skew symmetric matrix are always 0. If we added A11 plus A22 plus A33, your result will be 0. So you can say all elements are 0, first thing. And the second thing is what? All the sum of all elements is always 0. This is your first logical question we have done, right? Today we are going to discuss some logical and exceptional questions are doing in skew symmetric, symmetric, and the value of some unknown number ABC. If they told this is the skew symmetric, then find the value of this one, and this one. Okay. Now our next question we are going to discuss. And again, the logical manner. Given if A is your square matrix, what is given? Given it, your A is square matrix. The thing is, if A is your square matrix, then show that A plus A transpose is symmetric. First condition. What? A plus A transpose, they are saying symmetric matrix. You have to prove that. You have to prove that. A plus A this. First of all, you put let this is equal to P. Let P is equal to, okay? Let P is equal to A plus A transpose. Transpose on both sides, P transpose is equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. So we can say P transpose is equal to A transpose, and transpose to transpose, that is A. And this one is equal to this one. So we have to prove that P transpose is equal to P. If P transpose is equal to P, so this is your symmetric matrix. Okay, what is A? Here A is any square matrix, either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 order. Suppose if they ask A minus A transpose, what is saying? A minus A transpose, we have to prove that skew symmetric. If they want to show that this is your skew symmetric, let same process apply. Let this one is equal to P. P is equal to A minus A transpose. Transpose on both sides. P transpose is equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. We can write A transpose minus A transpose to whole transpose. So P transpose is equal to A transpose minus A. Because transpose to itself, that is matrix, will become A. Taken minus sign common here, you can write A minus A transpose. From this one side, you can take minus. You will get the value of minus bracket by A minus A transpose. So P transpose is equal to minus, and this is what? This is your P. So P transpose is equal to minus P. So this is what? This is your skew symmetric. Right? This is your skew symmetric matrix. First, A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. And second one is what? This one is your skew symmetric matrix. These are the some logical based question depends upon symmetric and skew symmetric of square matrix. Right? Now, They are again asked, what about A into A transpose? They ask, what about A into A transpose? That whole this one matrix is equal to this. Transpose on both sides. P transpose is equal to A into A transpose whole transpose. Okay? So that is what? A transpose to transpose into A transpose. A transpose itself, that is A into A transpose. So P transpose that is equal to P. So P transpose that is equal to P. This is what? This is your P. You have to assume this one value. So P transpose is equal to P. So we can say this is your symmetric matrix. This is your symmetric matrix. Here. So you can say another method. You can say if A transpose into A, similar method going on. This is always again in symmetric matrix. One more conditional based question. If they ask A and B are two symmetric matrices, A and B are TW2 given N, that is your symmetric matrix. If A and B are two symmetric matrices, that means A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. This one is given, right? Then they ask, what about AB minus BA? What about AB minus BA? You put down the value of P. Let this is your P matrix. Let this is your P matrix. So again, the testing of this one. So use above criteria. Again, transpose on both sides. So P transpose is equal to AB minus BA whole transpose. And AB minus whole BA transpose, that is, we can write A minus B transpose, that is AB transpose minus BA transpose. Now, AB transpose using the multiplication law. Multiplication law, A into B transpose, that is what? That is B transpose into A transpose minus, and here is what? A transpose into B transpose. By the use of A into B transpose, that is B transpose into A transpose, right? But B transpose is equal to B and A transpose is equal to A. That is your B and that is your A. Minus that is your A and that is your B. Taken minus as a common, you will get AB minus BA. Taken minus as a common, you will get AB minus BA. Here we have to write BA. This is minus. And AB minus BA is your parent matrix. Initially, you observe the matrix known as the parent, right? AB minus that is your P. So P transpose is equal to minus P. So P transpose is equal to 1 minus P. So this is what? This is your skew symmetric matrix. This is your skew symmetric matrix. If suppose we are observed AB plus BA, what about AB plus BA? Same question. This is your first part. A and B are the two symmetric matrix. That is, this one is given, this one is given. You have to prove that or check this one is what? AB minus BA. At last, you prove that P transpose is equal to minus P. So this is your skew symmetric matrix. If we ask, what about AB plus BA? Same question is here. AB plus BA. What about this one? This is a symmetric or skew symmetric. So what we do? Let this is equal to P. Transposing on both sides, P transpose is equal to AB plus BA whole transpose. Using the first property, that is A plus B transpose, that is A transpose plus B transpose. Now using product rule, AB transpose is what? B transpose into A transpose plus, and here is what? A transpose into B transpose. And now putting the value of B transpose is equal to A, this is given. This is B into A plus this is A into B. Our assumption is what? AB plus BA. Or you can write in a plus cases AB plus BA. So P transpose equal to P. This is what? This is your P. So P transpose equal to P. So we can say that AB plus BA is your symmetric matrix if A and B both are symmetric. Clear? So addition and subtraction we can define like this one manner. You can say these all elements are arranged like this one. Okay. Now we do some more question on skew symmetric and symmetric process. If they ask, I hope so in this point, all these points are clear, right? If suppose they told a matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. This is good question. You can write on the copy immediate. A matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. A matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. You have to prove that this is your null matrix. Then this matrix must be null matrix, right? If any matrix, this one is skew as well as skew symmetric and symmetric. Then you have to prove that this matrix must be a null matrix. Now, what is null matrix? All the elements are zero in a matrix. All the elements are zero in a matrix. That is known as the null matrix. First of all, we put the condition. What they are saying that this is your that a matrix first of all define Aij, right? That this is our matrix. Or condition apply for symmetric. That is what A transpose is equal to A. That is Aij equal to Aji. Aij equal to Aji. This is your first condition for symmetric. And now for skew symmetric, A transpose is equal to minus A. That means Aij equal to minus Aji. Okay. From these two conditions, this is first and this one is second. Aji equal to Aji for symmetric, Aij equal to minus A of Ji. We can write from this one 2 times of Aij equal to 0. So A of Ij equal to 0. If you put all the values 1, 2, 3 and so on, that if this condition is 0, so you can say that this is what A equal to Aij, if this is equal to 0, is your null matrix. This is your null matrix. A matrix which is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric. So you can say this one must be a null matrix. ये 100% आपकी null matrix होगी. Clear? So this is the question. Some more on the what symmetric and properties. We can say the property, है ना? Properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. In question, we can frame some matrices given. They can ask find A minus A transpose, A plus A transpose, A into A transpose, and so on. Let's do some more practicing if elements are also given, right? Suppose that A is equal to our matrix is 2, 3, 4, 5. Some elements are given. Then they ask, or they want to prove that A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is they are saying prove that this is your skew symmetric, right? Some numerals follow like this one. If A equal to this one, so A transpose is what? Row into column. This one row into column, right? Now they are what? Let this is your P. P equal to A minus A transpose. This is expression number 1. This is expression number 2. So A minus A transpose. This minus this. So 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 में से 5 is 0. So this is what? This is 0 minus 1, 1 and 0. That this is your P, right? If we want to say that the P equal to this one, transpose on both sides, this row become column. this row become column, and taken out minus sign from here. Minus sign from here. You find out 0, -1, 1 and 0. Why you take minus sign here? Because you want to prove that this is your skew symmetric. So that's why we are taking common from this one side. If taken minus from this one, you will get 0, -1, 1 and 0. 0, -1, 1 and 0. This is your P. So P transpose is equal to minus P. So P transpose is equal to minus P. We can say what? This is your skew symmetric matrix. Okay? In numerals form, we can say this one. Or also we can say that is symmetric or skew symmetric, and symmetric part. If this is symmetric of itself, then find this some constant value, right? Now I'm going to discuss some more and more problem.